Hello everyone. Guys like Matt. Alright. Well, took a little walk. It's lovely out here, by the way. It's so bright. Just wanted to let you guys see how my things are coming along and tell you some things here. It's very quiet, and I like that. Too quiet, not something I'm interested. But hello to everyone on YouTube. Hello. Just wanted to come on here and say hi. This is how I look throughout the day. Anyways, excuse the way I dress. If you don't like it, you're welcome to unsubscribe. Okay. This is one of these little nature walks, little nature talks. If you like to hear about it, sure. So excuse probably interruption. So right now I'm going to the in transit, going to the DC monument. Some things I didn't look at. That I wanted to check out. I wanted to show you guys around. That's on my to-do list. So I'll show you guys around. And to see. Excuse me. I do live in the city, so I'm trying to give me a second, guys. It takes me a minute to find the cars and where they're actually trying to turn at. Anyways, again, I'm a Pisces. Sun, Moon, Mercury, Mars, and this is a nature channel. I guess which would say in a way of the birds and stuff and trees, which most of the state have tear stuff down like that, and you have little ones, little of these. Alright guys, once I get to it's gonna take me a minute to get there. Once I get there, I'll be back on to show you guys that I've made it. This little journey that I'm going on, little field trip. Alright?